Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make fruit salad with fresh cream only ways. Start by washing mixed fruits, pat dry, then chop into uniform 1-inch pieces for even texture. Measure 1 cup fresh cream and 2 tablespoons sugar, taste and adjust sweetness. Combine fruit in a large bowl, gently fold in cream until coated, chill briefly, and serve chilled for best freshness and flavor. Begin by arranging your chopped fruits on the counter so you can see textures and colors. Stir cream with sugar until slightly thickened, then fold cream into fruit in 2 or 3 gentle turns to keep pieces intact. If using delicate berries, add them last and toss lightly. Taste and adjust with a little lemon or a pinch more sugar, then chill about 15 to 30 minutes before serving for best integration. If you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more simple recipes. Quick recommendation: Dollar Banknote, a book that can truly change how you think about money, The Simple Path to Wealth, pairs oddly well with kitchen confidence and mindful choices. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want to explore it. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Serve your fruit salad chilled in small bowls or clear glasses to showcase color and texture. Garnish with fresh mint or a sprinkle of toasted nuts to add brightness and crunch that contrasts with the creamy dressing. If you must store leftovers, keep them in an airtight container and consume within 24 hours to preserve texture. Avoid overmixing before serving and always taste as you go to fine-tune sweetness and acidity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.